to start with today's special.
Bluewater?
Allow me to unveil Bluewater for restaurants. So now, let me in 30 seconds explain how Bluewater will benefit you and your customers. Say goodbye to water deliveries and the expenses of purchasing bottled water. Speaking of expenses, we consume as much plastic as a credit card each week, large part from our drinking water. You wouldn't serve plastic as a side dish, so why serve water that contains it? While we're on dishes, save time on polishing. Bluewater ensures your dishes stay sparkling clean. We remove up to 99.7% of all contaminants, making the water 10 times purer than in a traditional water filtration system. And since you don't need to store any bottles of water, you're saving space for other things, like keeping your accountant Dave close to home. Whoops, that took a little bit more than 30 seconds. It's a good thing they shut off automatically. As you can see, the benefits are more than I can cover in that time. What sets our water apart is that it's made from the finest Swedish minerals. We call it liquid rock! Harvested directly from Sweden's northern mountains. Pure, natural, exactly as nature intended. And how's that coffee, Dave?
This coffee, it's great. The best I've ever had.
And that's what Bluewater does. Increase profit, save time, add value to your guests. Discover what you've been missing out with Bluewater.